Alright guys, today we are going to be talking on journaling and journaling of your trades, journaling of whatever you've done do in the market, collecting all those data and later reviewing them in order to furtherly refine your confluences and refine your edge. So the software we're going to be using is called Notion. This is the icon over here, and you can get Notion by just going to your Google Chrome or whatever browser you use. If for phone, you can get it on Google Play Store, but for your system, you could just search Notion, enter, and that's the first thing to see. You click it and you can just install it to your PC. But I already have it on my PC, so there won't be need for me to do that. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to be showing you how my Notion looks like, and I'm going to be showing you how to create yours. So even if you don't want to go to the stress of creating yours, I'm going to be adding this my Notion template, the link in the description of this video, so that you can take it, refine it to the kind of Notion that you would like to use for your own trade journaling. Okay, so let me just show you how mine looks like. So if I go on, let's see, I can pick any of these months and I just go on February. So I click on it, February. I could just go down. I'll click here, click on full page to show me everything. And I can now, you see how I put all my data into place. Show me trade number. So it's just like what number of trade in that month. It was 12 trades in that month. So the date, the day, the time, and what type of liquidity was taken. Was there an internal break of structure or a normal break of structure? I look at all these things because these are the confluences I take before. So like basic confluences I see before I take any trade. So, and I can save the charts as JPEG image here, so you can see, and I can add my observations. So this is basically my own template. So I have my emotional diary, the things I write. I copied this. I copied my Notion template, credit to Trader Benny, Sir Trader Benny. I don't know if you know him, but I was going through his Twitter. That's why I copied my own Notion template from. Then I refined it a little bit to what I want. So thanks to him, that's why I have this. Then trade number, the charts, the day, describe the market, further description, how it affected my feelings, my thoughts, what I did, and consequences of what I did. So that's me writing how I felt. My loss trades, the charts of the loss trade, the picture, describing the trade, losing trade, what I can learn, how will I improve the next day, and missed trades. I write the dates, the charts, the missed trade, the reason why I missed the trade, and the observations. And I just take a screenshot of the fundamentals that happened that week and I paste it here too, and also the sentimentals. But I will show you, I think I'll show you that here. So I didn't capture the data for, if I go to May now, I can show you. If I click on full page, I can show you. Yeah, so these are the sentimentals. These are like this COT data, sentiment of commitment of traders report, their net positions. You know how to know the sentiment of the market. So I keep all this data. I copy the Notion template for 2025. So because once I copy it, I don't want the content inside 2024 to be inside. So that's why I copied it here. But moving on, the reason why I'm showing you this is for you to see how my Notion template is, and I didn't create this from scratch. Like I said before, I copied this. I got my own Notion view looking like this from Sir Trader Benny. I copied his link. He dropped his Notion template link, so that's why I copied to get mine like this. So, and I believe I created this journals, trade journal students copy. I've dropped the link in the description of this video, so you can use that. So when you get it, you can just clear out this students copy here and you have your trade journal. But I still put that students copy so it doesn't confuse me when I am using my students. now I've showed you how I use my own trade journal. So let me show you how you can create yours, or how you can edit the Notion template you'll be copying. So if you come here, you click on create new page, you're going to have a totally blank page. So on the top, I could write anything. So I could just write trade journal. So that's what we want to do, right? So I could come here, click on add cover. You can add the nice picture there. You can leave that picture background. They spontaneously give you any picture, but you can add yours. You can add whatever. I can change cover, and you see gallery upload link, Unsplash like a site where you can get high resolution pictures, but I could just click upload, and I could upload the file from my system. Like I could pick one of these pictures here and upload, but I think that settles that. Let's say I could just pick any of this. I could just pick any of this picture. Let's say click on open, and that's that. So I could add an icon. It's like an emoji. I could just add this, signify trading. Then moving on, I'll come down here, just like you're coding. You click forward slash, and this list of things come out. So what's next thing you click on? I click on table view. So now this creates a table. Now it creates a table with different variables where you can fill in, just like this first one I was talking about, where I explained to you, where I wrote the dates, the trades that I won for that month, trade losses for that month, break even for that month, trade that left me for that month, and the RR I got for that month. So what we just do here, come to this place, I could write trade number. Trade number, enter. This little this thing, I could click here. I click on this and add an icon. Let's say I could just add trade icon. So I will click here, drag this place so that it looks neat. And I could add wins, enter. So for each of these variables I'm trying to create here, they each have their own properties under. So it could depend on whatever property you want to use it for. So if I click on this wins now, I come to edit property, and I could click on type. So type now shows me different things I want to draw. So if I want to get a variable where I need to write down text, that's where I'll click on text. If it's number, I'll click on number. Let me show you. So if I want to catch the number of wins and I would just want to write numbers there, so I just click on numbers, and you see the icon has changed. So when I just come here, let's say I got number of 5 wins for that month, I just click 5, enter, and let's say trade. So I could come, and if I wanted to add, let's say the chart, I'll just come here, chart, and I click enter. So the types, the property I want to use for this chart, let's say is I want to add pictures. So I could just come here, click on files and media. So here to create another one, I click on dates, enter, and I will just come down to type. I will go and search dates and click on it. So it edits this property as date. Then this variable, the property of this variable as date. So I could just drag this, hold this, drag this to this top here, make this neater a little bit. Then if I click on date, let's say I want to add the data, so I could just come here, click. Let's say we took a trade on 12th of June. I just click 12th of June. No, sorry. Let's say we took a trade on 1st of June. So I click 1st of June, and you see the 1st of June, 5 wins and all of that. So that's how you create this. So they are infinite, like you could add and add and add and add. And another one, like if I want to add, let's say the chart. Whenever I come here, like I want to add the data, I just click here and I click choose on file, then it goes to my system. Then I could just pick, let's say this file, I click on open, and that chart is added to that point. So that's just basically how it is. So now moving in, this is just the table view for monthly. So if I click on open, you can now see different things inside here. So another way to, you could be getting side views like this, but you could just click here and click on full page. Then once you have this, you can come down here, you click on forward slash again. Click on forward slash again and you look for table view, and boom, then you create that. So now what I'm trying to show you is that I created first on this table, like on this trade journal I'm just showing you, I created January, which was just a single row on the table showing you the data for that month. But inside the month, I'm going to come here now, I'm going to start adding different things, like where I came here to this my original journal, and under the, let's say the month of January, I was now adding different things, the trade entry, the emotional diary, my lost trades, missed trades. So I can't create all this in this video because I don't want it to be too long, but I've tried my best to like explain to you how you can go about it. And if you copy this template, I've explained to you how you can edit it to your taste, because you might not necessarily be following what I'm using. So if you can click on here, January, let's say you open it, full page, and let's say you don't use POS as a Confluence or liquidity as a Confluence, so you can just come here and write, let's say, support level or something like that. So I come here, support level, and I press enter. Then for this this thing, you could change it. Let's say you want to, you will now change these options to was there a support level? Yes. Was there a resistance level? No. You understand? So that's just basically how the whole thing works. The way it works is that the more you play around it, the more you use it, the more you try to edit your own template, then the more better you get at using it. If you like to have more content like this, you can kindly like and subscribe, because I'll be posting more trading related video, trading tools that could help you, potentially help you refine your edge, refine your trading style, and all of that. And I'll be adding the link to my Telegram community in the description below. You can join traders like me and yourself, and we also have a WhatsApp community too. So thank you very much.